Picture yourself as a general, commanding an army of soldiers. But instead of soldiers, you have malware or malicious bots, and instead of a battlefield, it's the vast digital landscape of the internet. Welcome to the world of command and control, or C2, in cybersecurity. In this realm, the C2 server is akin to a general, orchestrating the movements and actions of malware or malicious bots across the internet. Its role is to remotely direct these digital soldiers to carry out specific tasks on infected computers. This is a fundamental aspect of how cyber attacks happen. Cybercriminals use this strategy to maintain access to systems they've compromised, wielding their power from afar, much like a general would command his troops on the battlefield. Understanding this mechanism is key to comprehending the complex nature of cyber attacks and how they unfold in our digital world. Just like a general commanding an army, the C2 server orchestrates the attack, dictating each move and strategy. Imagine if someone got hold of your car's remote control and started driving it. Scary, right? That's how C2 servers work in the digital world. They're like remote drivers controlling systems they've infected. You might be going about your day, oblivious to the fact that your system has been hijacked. The remote driver can steal data, destroy files, or even shut down your entire system. Just as you wouldn't want a stranger taking your car for a spin, you wouldn't want unknown entities controlling your digital systems. This is the threat posed by command and control, or C2 servers. They can turn your digital world upside down without you even realizing it. Understanding these threats is the first step toward effective cybersecurity. By learning how these remote drivers operate, you can better protect your systems, your data, and ultimately yourself. So it's crucial to keep your digital car safe and secure from these remote drivers. Now, you wouldn't leave your house unlocked, would you? The same goes for your digital world. Just like you wouldn't ignore a creaking door or a broken window, you shouldn't overlook the importance of understanding command and control in cybersecurity. Imagine it as a crucial lock on your digital front door, protecting you from the unseen threats that lurk in the shadows of the online world. The more you delve into the realm of cybersecurity, the more you'll realize how it's intertwined with our everyday lives. It's not just about safeguarding your personal data, but also about preserving the integrity of our digital society. Every piece of information you secure, every threat you ward off, contributes to a safer digital world for everyone. So take that step, explore the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Because the deeper your understanding, the stronger your digital fortress becomes. Remember, in the digital world, knowledge is your best defense, so arm yourself and stay safe out there. Before we wrap up, here's something you can do to help us out. If you found this video informative and useful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people and spread the word about the importance of cybersecurity. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more content on command and control and other crucial cybersecurity topics. If you know someone who might find this information helpful, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Remember, in the digital world, knowledge is power. The more people we can reach, the stronger our collective defense becomes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe in the digital world.